Okay, this morning I thought I'd show you how I make my white chocolate mocha. Here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a coffee mug, a spoon, white chocolate truffle, 2 Starlight Mints, your coffee, whipped cream, and chocolate. I'll show you how we put these together. Okay, first of all, you're going to want to crush your mints, which I have already done. You're going to take both of them, and you're going to put them in your coffee mug. And then you're going to pour your freshly brewed coffee into your mug. Okay, and you're going to let that melt. You're going to take your spoon and you're going to stir until you can feel that the mints have all melted. Okay, I don't see any. Okay, then you're going to take your white chocolate truffle and you're going to squish it, which I have already done, and you're going to drop it in there, and you're going to stir until it is all melted. And you can see the color of the coffee changes. Almost. There. That's good. Then you're going to take your whipping cream. Put it on top. And then just, this is optional, drizzle some dark chocolate syrup on top of it. And there you have a white chocolate peppermint mocha.